a
look
little
it
bit.
up.
For a little bit.
Big, right? Now that it's over.
Now that it's over,
Yeah.
she's saying that.
I just
Hey,
need
baby.
your right pointer.
Look at you. Yeah?
I don't know why that thing
No,
keeps alarming.
yeah.
I'm gonna have to just
Hey,
take
take
the
it.
battery out, you know.
Big.
Yeah, she's big.
Almost 9 pounds.
Yeah.
Didn't-
You right there?
That's
She,
her.
she is, beg your pardon?
Uh-huh. I know what I want hard.
She is so alert, my God.
Isn't she? She is so alert. I can't get
I
over
can't
it.
either. Usually they got their eyes closed, you know.
Yeah.
She was when she came out yesterday
my
too.
God.
Eyes wide open.
Yeah.
I feel weird with you videos.
Put her face up. I'm sure she'll really.
Okay. Did you want to kiss her? Do you want Grandpa in the picture at all?
Oh, he wants to be in the picture.
No, we're just going to do baby. Just while she's so still, let's just try and do one with the rose. Hey.
Can you pass out?
Oh, shit, now we don't want to disturb her. Okay. So